Here's one of my top secrets for hiring salespeople if you're selling stuff online. Okay, so if you're trying to build a sales team, this is my top secret. Salespeople are athletes. So you're not just gonna be able to interview or have recruiters send people that you do a final interview for. My secret is I have all our hires, after some interviewing, do a sales tryout. The reason they do a tryout is because you cannot identify sales talent from interviewing alone. Because sales is an athletic endeavor, which means it's got a lot of nuance and things that you can't pick up through interviewing questions, right? So you can find culture fit and all that kind of stuff, which is important. But in terms of actual ability, you have to have them come into the business for a day, do a tryout with specific KPIs and performance metrics that they need to hit during that tryout. And from there, you can listen to their calls and assess how they did to say, hey, I can actually develop this person into a really great sales rep. That is one of my top secrets.